Okay, so just to take a brief break here. Crows are not carnivorous, right? Because all of a sudden there's a ton of them. They're very loud. And it feels like they're all looking at me. And I don't like it. I don't like how it feels. It's making it really hard to concentrate. I mean, there's just a ton of them up there. Really don't want to get eaten by a crow. Hopefully eyes first. Anyway, I better get back to work. So we're going to take this time while we're doing the fenders and the hood and everything. This is the radiator core support / upper fan shroud. You can see real dirty. Can't see the sticker anymore. Really rusty. This is the top side, so this is what everybody's going to see. Bottom side really not too bad. I can clean up a few spots, spray it off, and probably just paint the bottom. But the top, take our wire wheel. We're gonna go through here, clean this, see if we can clean it up. They don't make any more of these, like just about everything else on it, at least. Well, you know, actually they might make this. I just have to find another model that has it. But regardless, the metal's not all messed up or anything. I think we can clean it. Let's do it. Alrighty, so we've ground down most of the rusty areas. This is a little bit pitted. I'm going to use a filler primer. I'm hoping that'll work. But down inside here where there's rust, I'm going to use the drill and try to get down in some of these grooves. So let's try that. Alrighty, let's toss the coat primer on here. See if it looks decent or not. Well, the good news is it looks like it's going to clean up very nicely. The bad news is I got runs everywhere. And I think it's just because my hands are tired from doing all the grinding and everything else. I'm not holding the button consistently. So you know what? Maybe I should have waited, but it's a sandable primer, so when it dries, I'll sand it some more and toss a coat of black on there. But it's significantly better than the rusty Hulk that it was. Okay, so after way more work than I thought I was going to have to do, this did actually turn out fairly well. What I would give for a media blaster. But yeah, I can get it back on the car now. It's going to look a lot better. I cleaned up the top of the core support. We reinstalled said panel. If you watch, I don't know if I actually have anything for this video when I start compiling it, but any of the other previous Ventura videos, you will see this is just brown rust. It is exactly like the latch. But she's looking better. I think we're gonna call that quits. Thanks for watching, everyone.